Edilgrappa Combax. Kicking off our exciting tool countdown is the highly revered Edilgrappa Combax. This Italian invention is a universal tool that will save the day on many occasions. Everyone from construction professionals to rescue workers will be interested in this gadget, since it can open car doors, fire hydrants, and any other stubborn material. The Edilgrappa can also easily shatter glass and cut seatbelts, so it will be of unending value in life or death scenarios. If you want to invest in one of your own, you'll have to contact the manufacturer for the price. DEWALT Flip&Drive. DEWALT has worked with huge names like MotoGP and NASCAR, but their innovative Flip&Drive is still one of the most appealing tool creations. This little briefcase packs quite a punch, with 10 essential tools stored neatly inside. This includes drill bits, a coupler to speed up your work, and much more. The set was designed to handle wood of any hardness, and whether you're doing backyard work or have a small workshop, the Flip&Drive will not let you down. The entire toolkit weighs 15.9 ounces or 450 grams. And since it only costs $50, it's a total steal. Fetra Plattenroller. No one likes moving heavy loads around on a construction site, and the Fetra Plattenroller is the answer we've all been waiting for. Whether you're moving drywall sheets, chipboard, or tiles, this handy dolly will make this task a breeze. The jaws that grip your construction materials have a secure hold, yet it's coated in felt to ensure that the material you transport will never be left with scratches or damages. The working width of this invaluable tool can be adjusted between 1.2 and 3.5 inches, or 30 and 95 millimeters. And since it's a German invention, durability and efficiency is guaranteed. When investing in this dolly, you'll be able to choose between solid rubber and pneumatic tires, and the price tag comes in at a total of $125. STANLEY FATMAX TradeLift. Need to hold a door, a cabinet, or any other piece of heavy furniture? STANLEY is a company that always aims to impress, and their FATMAX TradeLift is no exception to this rule. This is a universal jack that will make your heavy lifting jobs a lot lighter, and it boasts a lifting capacity of 330 pounds or 150 kilograms. Not only this, but it is able to lift its cargo to a height of 8.66 inches or 22 centimeters. There is a button that automatically lowers the jack, but rest assured, it's well tucked away, so you won't accidentally be pressing it. The $137 price tag is certainly worth all the backache you'll be saving. TOPQSC Chainsaw Mill. Moving on to some woodworking projects, the TOPQSC chainsaw mill is one of the most useful inventions yet. With this tool, you can turn your chainsaw into a milling machine with remarkable ease. The gadget is made from both aluminum and steel for the highest level of durability, and it works with all chainsaws that have bars up to 35.8 inches or 91 centimeters in length. This hybrid chainsaw jig is a one-of-a-kind invention that will be able to cut slabs and logs of wood up to 23.6 inches or 60 centimeters thick. And to say it's a woodworking essential would be an understatement. It sells for around $80. A pipe cutter that you can hold in your hand may raise some questions, but this tool with its hidden compartment will surely blow you away, so stay tuned. Geevorks Nail Gun. Next up is the nail gun from Geevorks, the only fastening tool you'll need in your arsenal. The nail gun is powered by actual gunpowder, and it's strong enough to handle steel and masonry structures without batting an eye. The force level can be adjusted in 5 variable settings, and this is quickly done by just unscrewing special plugs on the tool. This nail gun is purchased in a kit that includes both earplugs and safety goggles, and it has a surprising price of only $25. KNIPEX BiX. KNIPEX is a well-known name in the tool industry, and they have now created a remarkable little pipe cutter that'll certainly become your favorite new sidekick. The KNIPEX BiX is suited for electricians and plumbers alike, and it's able to provide smooth cuts without splinters on pipes between 0.78 and 1.9 inches or 20 and 50 millimeters in diameter. As long as the pipe isn't reinforced, this gadget will get the job done in no time, and it's even able to cut ceiling hushed when the wall is up to 0.09 inches or 2.4 millimeters thick. The tool has a small hidden compartment where 2 extra blades are stored, and for a tool that's priced at $44, you're getting a whole lot of practical value. Makita 40V Max X GT Shear Wrench. Enter the Makita 40V Max X GT Shear Wrench, a game changer in the construction industry. This tool signifies Makita's dedication to ensure that corded tools on the worksite are a thing of the past. The shear wrench works up to 14% faster than corded models, and at only 12.1 pounds or 5.5 kilograms, it's considerably lighter than all the other models that came before. On one full charge, the tool is able to provide a whopping 250 Titan torque, control bolts, and it has an electric brake that is designed to allow quicker repositioning and an increase in productivity. For easy disposal, the shear wrench also features an ejecting lever for the bolt tips, as well as an LED battery percentage indicator, a shoulder strap, and a metal gear housing to provide the best durability. Lastly, there is also a trigger lock button, so you can carry it around with ease, knowing it won't accidentally start up. It does come at a sturdy price at $3,148. Makita CM501D Coffee Maker. One thing that nearly all construction workers love is a nice cup of hot coffee on the worksite, and thanks to the innovation of Makita, this is now finally possible. The CM501D coffee maker works on a compact battery, and while cappuccinos aren't on the menu yet, you'll be able to enjoy a freshly brewed cup of coffee on those cold mornings and slow lunch breaks. Whether you use beans or single pods is up to you, and it's able to whip up a cup of coffee every 7 minutes. One battery charge will be enough for 5 cups, and of course, it's built to be rugged to withstand the normal bumps and falls of the construction site. It's also fitted with a convenient carrying handle, a measuring indicator, and a cup. Without the battery, this Makita coffee maker will set you back $135. Ego Power Plus Nexus Power Station. You wouldn't think that a battery power source would be able to compete with generators, but there is now finally one that can. Users can invest in a total of 4 batteries of the Nexus Power Station, and in total, this provides a reserve of 48 amp hours of battery. The 2000 watt continued power output is incredibly impressive, and it can manage a power output of 3000 watt at its peak. To put this into perspective, this is more than sufficient to run a heater and most household appliances like your fridge and washing machine, with 3 different 120 volt outlets and 4 USB ports. You'll never run out of charging space. You can invest in one today for $597. ROBEND 4000E. The king of bending robots has now graced the market, and it's known as the ROBEND 4000E. The tool seems to be something out of the future, and its rechargeable battery will ensure that you are never held back by cables again. On one full charge, the gadget is able to handle a total of 60 copper pipes of up to 1.1 inches or 28 millimeters in diameter, but it's also perfectly capable of handling steel and composite pipes. It can manage a bending angle of up to 180 degrees, and since it only weighs 28.6 pounds or 13 kilograms, it's compact and easy to move around. The cost is rather hefty though, sitting at a solid $3,480. Multi-tools are incredibly useful, so keep your eyes peeled for a 9-in-1 welder that weighs less than 40 pounds or 20 kilograms. TOPJUKE 9-in-1. In the world of multi-tools, very few hold a candle to the TOPJUKE 9-in-1. This remarkable tool is ideal for both professional and amateur workshops, and it offers a wide range of different welding options, including MIG welding, FC, and much more. Alternatively, it can be used as a plasma cutter for steel of up to 0.47 inches or 12 millimeters thick. These features are all squeezed into a tool that's about the size of a small PC. And the entire thing weighs in at only 35 pounds or 16 kilograms. The price tag for this multi-tool is $484, but it's surely worth the investment. Disston 7-in-1 Workbench. On the topic of construction inventions that serve multiple purposes, the Disston 7-in-1 Workbench definitely deserves a special mention. This universal platform can be anything you need it to be, whether this is a trolley, a car creeper, a scaffold structure, or anything else. The workbench is able to support a weight of 330 pounds or 150 kilograms, and it is available in two height options, 20.4 and 31.4 inches or 52 and 80 centimeters. While the table itself is made from a strong plastic, the legs are made from aluminum. The frame, on the other hand, is made from solid steel. Cool extra features on this workbench include a built-in ruler and protractor. The price is very reasonable at only $140. KNIPEX Cobra XS. How useful do you think the world's smallest water pump pliers would be? Well, we guarantee that the KNIPEX Cobra XS will exceed your expectations. This model only weighs 2.1 ounces or 62 grams and has a petite 4-inch or 102mm length. It's basically a toy-sized tool, but it is fully functional and has a 1.1-inch or 28mm working range. The tiny pliers will be ideal for compact spaces, and it's even fitted with a safety mechanism that ensures you won't be pinching your fingers. A pair of the minute pliers comes in at only $2. An invention that increases ladder safety by clamping onto the gutters seems revolutionary, and rest assured that it will transform your worksite confidence. Lockjaw ladder grip. In some shocking statistics, we learn that 75% of all construction accidents are caused by one singular tool, a ladder. This results in medical and legal fees totaling over $24 billion every year. But now, there may finally be a real way to improve ladder safety. The Lockjaw ladder grip is an invention from an Australian father-son duo, and it's cleverly designed to securely grip onto the gutter in under 5 seconds. This attachment keeps the ladder secure to ensure absolutely no wobbling or shaking. When you attach a ladder grip on each side of the ladder, it will be able to support a statistic load of 220 pounds or 100 kilograms. The price is $260, and this is definitely worth spending on your safety. K-MXPOWER DRTR20 Pro. Next up, we have some valuable landscaping machines that will certainly transform your day. The K-MXPOWER DRTR20 Pro is a self-propelled machine that is fitted with a 20 horsepower or 13.7 kilowatt engine. It is able to dig down to a depth of 39 feet or 100 centimeters, and it moves at a speed of 3.1 miles or 5 kilometers per hour. Alternatively, you can invest in a trenching machine from this manufacturer that can dig even deeper, up to 78 inches or 200 centimeters. In dense soils, you can easily attach a cutting chain that will make digging even more of a breeze. To transform your yard with this machine, you'll need to spend about $2,300. Flexi Trowel and Flexifit system. It is truly a special kind of frustration to have to experience when you have a lot of work to do but only one tool to do it with. It seems that the creators of the Flexifit system went through this and decided to never let anyone else suffer that inconvenience again. The Flexi Trowel and Flexifit system gives you the very convenient ability to swap out your blades depending on your needs at that moment. And their standard model comes with a sturdy 7.8 by 2.7 inch or 200 by 70 millimeter steel blade. It can tackle most tasks. However, if you need more flexibility, you can go for supplementary blades, like a plastic one or a thinner, more adaptable steel blade with a specialized insert. These trowels are made to be as lightweight as possible, ensuring comfortable use throughout your workday, and they even come with blade guards to keep your blades safe and protected. A set is available for $12. A kit that can inflate and repair your bicycle tires out on your adventures is quite literally a lifesaver, so don't miss out on our next revolutionary tool. Tubeless CO2 Blaster. Choosing a gift for your bicycle-loving friend has never been easier, thanks to gadgets like this tubeless CO2 blaster. It's a gift that will keep on giving for many years, and is like a mini repair kit that allows anyone to seal and also inflate their bicycle tires, even in the middle of literally nowhere. The entire kit, including 2 CO2 cylinders and 5 spare plugs, weighs just 7.2 ounces or 206 grams, and it fits easily into a backpack or perhaps even a pocket if need be. As a bonus, it's also quite reasonably priced at an affordable $55. HAZET Adhesive Fixing Hammer. Right now, you can get yourself a piece of German-made engineering excellence with the HAZET Adhesive Fixing Hammer to solve nearly all your problems. This soft-faced hammer provides the user with a perfect balance between finesse and functionality, and has worked its way into the hands of many repairmen and professionals who need to handle delicate materials with care. The soft-faced design makes it perfect for gently tapping materials into place without the risk of damage, like scratches and dents from using too much force, making it a great choice for a variety of tasks that include everything from car repair to molding and window installation, and so much more. The price is a reasonable $158. Milwaukee M18 Rocket Dual Power Tower Light. Milwaukee went from creating simple drills to having a catalog of more than 200 pages of beloved products, and today their extensive tool list includes options like the M18 Rocket Dual Power Tower Light. This widely useful light can fold down to a compact 4 feet or 1.2 meters and extend to a full 7 feet or 2.1 meters to suit any situation, and it uses an M18 red lithium battery to provide light for up to 13 continuous hours of use. You can select between 3 light levels: 700, 1100, and 2500 lumens, and at only 15 pounds or 7 kilograms in weight. It is light and easy to carry around with you. Its IP54 quality rating makes it invulnerable to drops or water and dust damage too. Incredibly, the head can rotate a whopping 230 degrees vertically and 240 degrees horizontally, and you can buy it now for only $170. A cleaner with nylon brushes and speed settings of 800 to 1000 RPM is guaranteed to transform your cleaning days. Interested? Concrete slab lifting tool. There are better ways to get through the often backbreaking work of lifting and moving large concrete slabs than manual labor, especially once they have started to sink back into the ground. But one man decided to solve this problem, and the result is this ingeniously practical concrete slab lifting tool. This tool can transform a regular jack into a powerful rail lifter, and with it, you can very easily raise sunken slabs without ever creating a pit for your jack. Originally, this design was meant to be used to lift railroad tracks, but through some clever tweaks and modifications, it has been transformed into a powerful slab lifter that saves you time and labor, and even money. Now, you can purchase this upgraded version, which comes with a finely painted option, for just $160, which is probably less than you would spend on medication for your sore back. DEWALT Brushless Circular Saw. DEWALT products are a firm favorite among many professionals and even novice DIYers around the world. And when you consider their extensive range of products and the quality they are known for consistently providing, that's really no surprise. Today we'll be focusing on their compact cordless circular saw. Its insignificant 5.5 pound or 2.5 kilogram weight makes it perfectly suited to single-handed use, and the tool itself is comfortable to hold in the palm of your hand. It offers a generous cutting depth of 1.5 inches or 39 millimeters at a 90-degree angle. Additionally, it can cut up to 295 feet or 90 meters of 0.5 inches or 12 millimeter thick plywood on a single charge of its 5 amp-hour battery, which is more than enough for most projects. To top it off, DEWALT has given another nod to durability by throwing in an aluminum gear case and steel shoe, and currently offers this tool for a cool $590. Sun Joe Cleaner Kit. Maybe you like spending hours scrubbing away at dirt and grime that has accumulated around your home, but on the same slight chance that you don't, allow us to introduce to you the Sun Joe Cleaner Kit. The manufacturer has included a host of impressive features into this cordless cleaner and has made it so that anyone can use it to get rid of just about everything from patches of moss to dirt and layers of debris on a variety of surfaces. This includes tiles, cement, asphalt, and even paving stones. The Sun Joe is armed with a set of robust nylon brushes, but their 5.5 inch or 14 centimeter long bristles are made to be gentle on surfaces but tough on filth. In combination with the two available speed settings of 1000 and 800 RPM and the powerful motor, it works to deliver a cleaning experience that stands out from the rest. For even more convenience, you can connect a standard garden hose to the unit for spraying, but you'll have to fork out around $229 to experience this level of cleaning luxury. On the topic of workplace comforts, we have a cordless tool that can heat your food up. Stay tuned to find out what it is. HTS Rotating Skates. You might be confused at first as to why we have selected this next product to feature in our countdown, but do not be fooled by the deceptively simple-looking design of the RotoFlex Eco Skates, because underneath this very basic exterior lies a highly advanced and incredibly powerful piece of machinery that will forever change the way you move bulky loads around. The flagship model rotational skate can transport weights of up to 26,455 pounds or 12 tons and has no problems moving around in tight spaces, since it is capable of making a full 360-degree rotation in any direction at any time. These Eco Skates are also built to last and come with fixed rollers, an easy-to-use pulling bar attachment, as well as a set of patented drive rods and axles that ensure smooth operation, even on the most demanding jobs. These features come at a price though, and a single RotoFlex skate starts at over $1,500. Makita MW001GZ Microwave Oven. Our next pick is from the ever-innovative Japanese company Makita, and this time they've ventured into the portable microwave market. This amazing little appliance is cordless and compact, and comes with enough space to fit most popular foods. It runs on Makita's powerful 40-volt Max X GT batteries, the same batteries that power your saws, drills, and trimmers. And it offers two power levels, 350 watts for gentle heating, or 500 watts for faster cooking, just like a standard microwave oven. Now, you don't need access to any power sources in order to enjoy a warm meal, because a single battery charge is enough for 48 minutes of cooking time, and you can carry it with you wherever you go. Makita has even decided to throw in a few extra features, like a built-in USB port for charging your devices, a tempered door glass that's very hard to break, and an easy-to-clean, removable air filter, all in an effort to possibly justify its $847 price tag. However, that doesn't include the cost of the battery. Bosch GPB 18V5C. Bosch knows how to make a day on the job as simple and productive as possible, and their name has more or less become synonymous with quality tools and appliances today. The company does, however, have an incredibly diverse lineup of products, and one of their most beloved inventions is surely this seemingly indestructible battery-powered audio system made to withstand the demands of construction sites. It comes with fully functioning Bluetooth or aux cable connectivity, 4 powerful 5-watt speakers, a 20-watt subwoofer, and a built-in FM tuner, and a robust, durable build that will last for many years. This radio runs on Bosch's 18V battery platform, the same batteries used in many existing Bosch tools. But alternatively, you can plug the radio directly into an AC outlet if you want. All this convenience will currently cost you around $550, and that's without batteries. Do you need a cooler box for your workday that does more than just store your drinks? Klein Tools MODbox Cooler. In the 167 years of its existence, Klein Tools has had more than enough time to build up a very impressive collection of power tools and specialized equipment for a variety of different industries and applications. Take the MODbox cooler as an example. It's not only made of impact-resistant polymers, but it can easily keep 24 beverages of your choice cool for 30 hours straight. It also comes with a special lock, class for padlock, and it can be used as a makeshift seat when you're tired of standing thanks to its ability to support up to 300 pounds or 136 kilograms. The cooler has an easy one-hand release to detach it from other components and features a padded shoulder strap. Another bonus is all the extra space inside the lid itself, which has a built-in compartment for all your smaller essentials, like keys or your phone. Klein Tools MODbox Cooler sells for $80. Makita DRC200. Imagine how impressed your boss would be if you managed to clean the office during your coffee break. The DRC200 robot vacuum cleaner from Makita can easily manage spaces as large as 5,382 square feet or 500 square meters, and it comes with a spacious 2.5-liter dust box. Incredibly, it also has 200 minutes of runtime, and it operates in 2 modes, sweeping and vacuuming together, or sweeping only. You can customize its cleaning route, and it also features innovative and helpful advantages like a bumper switch, cliff sensor, and boundary line tape. The only hitches are that it does not work on uneven concrete or wood floors, and that the price tag is $910, not including the battery. DEWALT Mobile USB Charger. Whether it's doing special collaborations with football clubs or McLaren F1, DEWALT is always going to deliver unique and top-of-the-range products to make life easier for everyone. This mobile USB charger is just the latest convenient creation to hit the market. These devices are made to seamlessly integrate with your car's existing cigarette lighter socket. Each of the 4 individual ports have a 2.4 amp output current and give you the option to charge 2, 3, or even 5 devices at once. As a bonus, they've added a durable metal clip that ensures the charger stays securely in place, and even a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind on your purchase. You can get the 2-port model now for only $19. It seems like there isn't much to improve on the standard clipboard, but there is now a revolutionary new clipboard on the market that can double as a safe storage for all your important items. DEWALT ToughSystem Radio Plus Charger. If you're a company like DEWALT, you probably know how to make your product worth its price tag for the average consumer, making sure that it is not going to be just another tool on the shelf. Thankfully, the DEWALT ToughSystem is a great example of a product that redefines what a simple charger can do. And because it has been equipped with what is almost a full-blown entertainment system, complete with audio and radio capabilities, the price becomes much more reasonable. This radio has 4 powerful tweeters, a subwoofer, and a bass resonator, and gives you the wireless freedom to connect to it via Bluetooth from up to 100 feet or 300 meters away. Plus, it works with both DEWALT 12-volt max and 20-volt max batteries, so it lets you charge your USB devices by connecting to either the mains or a charger. It is IP54 rated, so it can handle dust and water splashes with ease, all for $200. DEWALT DWST 827321 T-Stack Job Site Clipboard. If you're tired of having to juggle loose papers and fumble for pens on the construction site, why not give the DEWALT Job Site Clipboard a try? You'll soon see that this is not your average clipboard, but more like a mini portable workspace that can help you sign delivery notes, jot down notes, or just keep everything organized as you travel. This clipboard is designed to offer ample storage for documents, pens, business cards, and even your phone or tablet. If you ever need to check something after dark, the built-in LED light will come in very handy. But what is perhaps even better than all this is that it's part of the DEWALT T-Stack system, so you can easily stack it on top of your other toolboxes. It costs only $35. Ryobi Robo Yagi. Not many companies can boast about a successful career of nearly a century, and even fewer can offer the kind of innovation that Ryobi does on a regular basis. Take, for example, the Ryobi's Robo Yagi, a fully robotic lawnmower that can take over and do your weekend chores for you. Ryobi's top-of-the-line model is capable of trimming up to 32,292 square feet or 3,000 square meters in one uninterrupted go. And since it operates at only 58 decibels, you can during the day or night without disturbing the piece. You don't have to be held back by bad weather either. The Robo Yagi handles rain well. The electronics are protected, and it navigates slopes with inclines of up to 24 degrees, both up and down. Finally, you get the option to schedule your mowing sessions and control your robot from anywhere because of the included Wi-Fi module and a free app. Since it doesn't just cut grass, but mulches it too. It feeds your grass with a natural fertilizer as it cuts it. Snap-on ePick EUV. Someone is going to be very impressed with your purchasing acumen if you show up one day with a new cabinet like the Snap-on ePick EUV, and it's not hard to see why. This new creation from the Snap-on brand is a behemoth of storage and has been designed for those with very ambitious storage needs and a deep wallet. The 14-inch or 17-inch wheels, built-in lighting, spacious drawer system, and incredibly generous 16,000-pound or 7.3-ton storage capacity of the ePick EUV makes it ideal for storing nearly your entire gear collection. You can forget about fumbling with messy trays because the designers have added the impulse design that keeps everything in place. Getting back to the deep wallet part, you will need to spend around $36,425 to get your hands on this statement piece. Makita Outdoor Adventure 18V LXT. If you've been looking for a way to make camping trips just a little less rugged, then you probably don't need to look much further than the Makita Outdoor Adventure 18V LXT LED lantern. This amazing little gadget is the ultimate take-along on any backcountry trip. It manages to effortlessly combine essential features like strong lighting, a built-in AM/FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and portable device charging capabilities. Its impressive battery life also means you can keep the lights on for up to 16 hours, the music for up to 44 hours, and you can personalize your experience by choosing between 4 different lighting modes. You can even change the brightness and the color temperature of the light. The functionality options include a full 360-degree lantern, a 3-sided directional lantern, a focus flashlight, or a strobe setting. The addition of a sturdy metal hook also makes it easy to hang the lantern on trees or other solid objects. All this comes in at a budget-friendly price of $159, but without the battery. Ryobi Bug Zapper Lantern. Ryobi has been thinking about those who love to spend time outdoors but hate having to spend half that time fending off bugs. The Ryobi Bug Zapping Lantern offers an incredibly simple way to keep any area free of bugs without using any toxic, sticky, and nasty-smelling chemical products. This lantern does all the dirty work for you, and it lures flying insects within a 16-foot or 4.8-meter zone by using irresistible UV rays. As soon as the little buggers land, they meet their demise with a quick zap. The Ryobi Bug Zapper Lantern is able to provide a solid 2 to 4 hours of bug zapping defense, and it features a built-in LED light for added functionality. What's more, it's got a convenient brush to make cleaning up the fallen bugs as easy as it was zapping them. You can get the basic kit, which includes the zapper itself, a powerful 18V 2-amp-hour battery for extended use, and a charger for only $200. System, a true game changer in the world of tile installation. The great news is that it works on just about everything, floors, walls, and ceilings included. This tool allows you to set joints with a minimum thickness of 0.02 inches or 0.5 millimeters, and this is something that many competitors have not yet achieved. The MLT system works with 3 reusable elements, and this means it can handle numerous projects and ensure work is done both quicker and to a higher standard. For the professionals who want to get the most out of the MLT systems, an ergonomic gun is available that holds around 1,000 elements. It all comes in a plastic box and has a price tag of $800. Motion Sense Rope Tow. Motion Sense deserves a mention on our list thanks to their innovative rope tow, a remote-controlled winch that will solve your problem any day. The winch is capable of lifting 399 pounds or 181 kilograms, roughly the same as a big bag of cement, so transporting materials on the construction site will now be a whole lot easier. The 36-volt motor that powers the rope tow and its high-capacity batteries are similar to the ones used in modern electric vehicles. It also boasts remote control up to 597 feet or 182 meters away, so being a distance away won't affect your productivity at all. The price is a solid $500, and the work it'll take off your shoulders is invaluable. Have you ever thought of what the hose might look like if it was reinverted? Stay tuned to find out. Hose to Go. From the land down under, we have the incredible invention called Hose to Go. This tool is a water supply unit that is able to maintain constant water pressure to stop harmful dust and sawdust from escaping into the air when sawing. The Hose to Go keeps your tools running and ensures peace of mind, since it doesn't need fancy parts like a pump, complex electronics, or batteries. The tank of this tool is able to hold 3.7 gallons or 14 liters of water, and it can provide half an hour of non-stop use. When your water runs out, you simply refill the tank by plugging a hose into it. Since this tool is gaining exceptional popularity, would you pay $382 for it? Ryobi Tri-Power Tripod LED Light. Ryobi has been leading the way in the world of tools for the longest time, and now their Tri-Power Tripod LED light stands out as one of the most powerful lighting options on the market. The detachable 360-degree light has 4 different brightness modes, and it's designed for effortless hand-free use. The battery allows the user to use the light for 25 hours straight, so it will be more than strong enough to see you through your workday. Easy storage and transportation are another bonus, and this is possible due to the clever collapsing legs. The light is powered by the OnePlus battery system or an extension cord, and it comes with a reliable 3-year warranty upon purchase. This lighting tool boasts up to 388 lumens, so it will never fail to light up every nook and cranny. For only $139, this is a steal. Bora PM 4500 Speed Horse. By the time we're done listing this product's incredibly useful features, it will make sense why it is the recipient of the Innovation Award. Imagine being able to unfold a sturdy workstand in just 1.6 seconds and then having it be able to hold loads of up to 1,800 pounds or 816 kilograms, all without compromising on stability or ease of use. The extra sturdy legs of the Bora PM 4500 Speed Horse also extend seamlessly from the body and lock firmly in place at a 90-degree angle, and its total height of 30 inches or 76 centimeters makes it even more convenient and useful in any working environment. When you're done, simply pull the special lever, and the Speed Horse folds back up neatly. No wrestling with complicated mechanisms needed. With all these wonderful features, its $140 price tag is a pleasant surprise. Wagner Control Pro 130 Power Tank Paint Sprayer. Wagner tools might just have broken the mold when it comes to making quality and user-friendly sprayers. The Control Pro 130 sprayer has been made to be used on larger projects like painting the exterior of a house or staining a large deck. It will help you work faster and more efficiently by using a specially designed gravity-fed sprayer tank system to apply the paint. The tank can accommodate up to 1.5 gallons or 5.7 liters of liquid in an airless environment. And by incorporating unique high-efficiency airless technology, it is capable of completing tasks 3 times faster than conventional airless sprayers. It literally saves the user at least 50% in paint costs and greatly reduces any overspray. You can now cover large areas without constantly refilling and achieve a smooth, consistent finish without splatter or gaps, thanks to this cool tool. Moreover, extra features like a soft trigger pull for control and comfort, a lightweight body, an integrated gun swivel to prevent kinks and tangles, a 25-foot or 7.5-meter hose, and softer edges to give you even more control. This tool has a price tag of $260. An advanced mesh taper that will be comfortable and efficient can really turn a project around, so be sure to keep your eyes peeled for the best one yet. iToolCo Reel Jacks. Construction sites are not the place for flimsy and difficult to work with cable reels. And that is exactly why the company behind the iToolCo Reel Jacks has come up with a new and improved way to make life easier for workers. These jacks are built for the rough and tumble of construction sites and are made with 2 incredibly strong legs that are linked together by an equally reliable cylinder. A single worker can easily move the reel up or down with little to no effort by using the built-in crank. And the Reel Jack has hitch-free operation thanks to its ingenious design that relies on 4 robust bearings that support a total load capacity of 20,000 pounds or 9 tons. The manufacturer promises that their product will keep working no matter how tough the job is. And as an added bonus, the Reel Jack can be mounted on the back of a truck and can be set up in minutes. The price comes in at $1,455. Marshalltown Mesh Taper. Marshalltown almost always has something relevant and noteworthy to add to any tool list. And with this innovative and highly pragmatic mesh taper, they have once again shown just how much insight they have into the needs of the average consumer, especially homeowners who just need some help dealing with the seemingly infinite problems that come with fixing drywall gaps. This small and handy tool, with its comfortable handle and adjustable blade, just needs one pass along any wall to roll the mesh tape over even the largest holes. It's ultra thin, yet super sturdy, and the tape won't leave any unsightly bumps or rough patches under your cork. You can get this essential tool for just $32. Making fire is not a headache when you have a handy device that can instantly heat your coals up to 2,000 degrees Celsius. Milwaukee Glock with laser. Every so often, two worlds collide, and this is exactly what happened with the custom Milwaukee Glock with a laser. The creators of this one-off custom piece created a bespoke Glock that bears the colors and aesthetic that we have come to know and love from the popular construction company. It's got a laser engraving logo and a very unique style, as well as a very ergonomic and comfortable grip. Nearly every part of this Glock has been designed to represent Milwaukee. Do you think this is something you'd ever invest in yourself? Rocket fire. When you want to throw a barbecue for your guests, you don't want to spend more time making the fire than actually enjoying it. But without a tool like the rocket fire at your side, that is a real possibility. But if you decide to spend the $145 needed to get your own rocket fire, you'll soon find it can reach the scorching 3,632 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,000 degrees Celsius temperature needed to ignite your coals within literal seconds. The rocket fire attachment connects to your propane tank and ignites the gas instantly. And you can tell how much people love this product by the fact that its creators went from needing funding for their own idea to owning their own factory. Inco AHM 112. If there is one tool that really needs an upgrade, it's probably the good old welding helmet. Sure, it does what it needs to do, but many are still very rudimentary and lack features that would make welding easier and more comfortable. The Inco AHM 112 welding goggles are designed with a smart automatic dimming feature and a delicate sensor near your forehead. This detects when you start welding and then automatically darkens the glass, so you don't have to take off your helmet when you need to see the results of your labor. These goggles protect your eyes from glare while allowing you to see your work clearly, unlike regular welding helmets that make everything look dim and unclear. Quick gripper. If you have had enough of struggling to remove stubborn nails, screws, and bolts from places they seem to be permanently attached to and need an easy and affordable way to get this done, we have the solution. It's called the Quick Gripper, and it's available for just $49. This little gadget offers effortless extraction, even if the heads are cut off, because it even works on bolts sticking out up just 0.12 inches or 3.2 millimeters. It also offers multifunctionality in that it doubles as a hammer, as a built-in crowbar on the one end, lets you work in cramped corners, and is designed to minimize wood damage as you work. No list would be complete without a state-of-the-art laser level, and our next tool is everything you could need in a level. Laser Liner DigiLevel Laser G40. We would be committing a grave injustice to the world of modern mechanical tools if we didn't include a top-notch level in our list, and this one is a great example of just how far development into these tools have come in the last few years. Not only is the Laser Liner DigiLevel Laser G40 sleek and sophisticated, but it's also packed with practical features that make your life a lot easier. Whether you're hanging shelves or aligning frames, you can trust this level to get it right every time, because it gets measurements accurate to within 0.02 inches or 0.5 millimeter per meter. It will also keep itself in place with a strong magnetic mount when you're working with metal structures of any kind. The level provides tilt measurement for a full 360 degrees and helps you by providing audible navigation, feedback, and chiming at angles of 0, 45, 90, 135, and 180 degrees. And the best part is, per perhaps the price of $111. Bolden Pipe Catcher. Next up, we have an ingenious invention from the minds of Finnish engineers, a pipe catcher. This device works to remove foreign objects from the inside of pipes, without you having to resort to drastic methods like sawing. It uses 3 air-powered claws that go into the pipe and grab onto anything that shouldn't be there, then pulls it out. The pipe catcher's claws extend when the valve is closed and retract, with strong pressure when turned 90 degrees, and they are regulated by a robust air valve. Remarkably, some tests have even shown that this device has enough power to move a car, so it's safe to say it's a reliable and incredibly efficient tool for your pipe working endeavors. The price comes in at $1,387. Would a dry-wet vacuum that offers 2 nozzles and dual power modes change your workday? Works Nitro 20V Wet Dry Vacuum. Few vacuum cleaners can claim to be as powerful and versatile as the Works Nitro 20V Wet Dry Vacuum. This cordless suction machine can clean any surface, wet or dry, and is a smart and economic addition to your home or garage. This vacuum features 2 nozzles, dual power modes, and a hose that extends up to 6.5 feet or 2 meters. Added features include a shoulder strap for easy portability, and the vacuum can handle the equivalent of 2.11 gallons or 8 liters of dry waste, and 0.79 gallons or 3 liters of wet waste. And all this cleaning power is run by PowerShare batteries with up to 6 amp hour capacity. The price tag is a bit steep at $200, but it's worth every cent. P1L Tagger Construction Printer. When you're busy running around on the job, the last thing you have time for is to keep up with your printing. But with the P1L, you can print what you need, when you need it, no matter where you are. This compact little device can print photos, text, labels, and even QR codes, all directly from your smartphone via Bluetooth. The labels it produces are waterproof and durable, so they won't tear without a fight. On a full charge, you can get around 12 uninterrupted hours of printing. Right now, the entire kit, which includes the printer, app access, and a roll of labels, is priced at $99. Gadgets that work in the background often make the biggest difference, like a mounted dust extractor that will work round the clock to keep the air in your workshop clean. Sealy 3.7V Vacuum Drill Dust Extractor. You would be forgiven if you didn't think a product that costs only $52.50 and looks as simple as this one can actually be as much help when you're working. But we are happy to inform you that the Sealy Vacuum Drill Dust Extractor will indeed make a difference in your life. This little device is practical to the extreme and has been designed for use with drills up to 0.5 inches, 12 millimeters in diameter, but weighs only 7.4 ounces or 210 grams, the same as your average smartphone. It neatly attaches to the wall where it will stay and collects every speck of dust you create. The dust is stored inside a removable dust collection pod and also features 2 spear levels and a laser for ultra-precise hole placement. What's not to love? Hill-tip Weed Striker. Humanity has faced many problems throughout its time here on Earth, and it wouldn't be too far-fetched to say that weeds are one of the most persistent and seemingly unsolvable of all these earthly woes. Weeds can ruin a perfectly good lawn and make the garden a place of misery and failure. But now gardeners have an amazing and completely nature-friendly weapon with which to take on these eternal pests. The Weed Striker uses water heated to 208 degrees Fahrenheit or 98 degrees Celsius to eliminate weeds without harmful chemicals. And you will always have some of this water on hand because it's made inside a large boiler that fits easily in the back of any pickup truck. You can control everything, including the built-in electric pump, via the helpful Strike Smart app. Flawless metal pipe cleaning using pressurized aluminum oxide is now a feature of our next cool tool. Keep watching to see more. PiCo pipe. When it comes to tools, appearances can often be deceptive, and the simplest looking ones are sometimes the most useful, such is the case for the PiCo pipe. Hidden inside this seemingly ordinary tool are some of the most remarkable mechanical details, and it's these special features that enable it to create a flawlessly clean surface on any metal pipe within the diameter range of 2 to 8 inches, 5 to 20 centimeters. It does this by removing every last bit of rust, buildup, paint, scale, and everything else that shouldn't be there, using pressurized aluminum oxide. The PiCo pipe achieves a high cleaning standard of SA3 SP5, leaving behind a uniformly whiter gray metal surface. It relies on reusable pressurized aluminum oxide, making this tool ideal for those looking for a practical and effective solution for pipe cleaning. Milwaukee M18 Pruning Shears. With the Milwaukee M18 pruning shears, it really doesn't matter if you haven't taken up the trimmer in years, or if you just have a tree that needs some serious pruning. With these shears, every leaf and branch within a 10-foot or 3-meter range will be clippable thanks to the helpful battery-operated telescopic pruner. Not only that, but you will sail through the job around 80% faster, according to the manufacturer. A single battery charge will power you through up to 2,000 branches without stopping, as long as they aren't thicker than the maximum 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters diameter. You can get your hands on one of your own for around $500. IML Resi Power Drill. Maybe you discovered that your favorite decades-old tree is showing signs of ill health, or perhaps you have a career that includes checking up on the condition of many trees at once. The solution might just be investing in this unique product. The IML Resi Power Drill is armed with a strong laser that penetrates deep into the trunk of the tree and then identifies any signs of problems, whether it's physical damage, fungi, pests, hollow areas, or decay of any sort. This machine will pick it up. For a truly thorough analysis, you need to take measurements at least 30 times, from the roots to the top of the tree, and then once you identify the issues, you can begin treating the tree. However, keep in mind that the IML Resi Power Drill is only for diagnosis and won't assist in the treatment process, but will still be an invaluable part of the process. The starting price for this advanced machine is around $10,000. Making autonomous adjustments on pipes used to be a far-fetched dream, but our special burr changes things up drastically. Matco Tools MUHL 1000. Matco Tools are once again proving their incredible know-how with their latest creation, this potentially life-saving flashlight. The MUHL 1000 has a very generous 1000 lumen output and can last for up to 5 hours when used in dim mode and 2 hours when used in the brightest mode. This flashlight has 360-degree swivel hooks and 180-degree swiveling ends for maximum versatility, and it is built to withstand tough conditions. Additionally, it's water and dust resistant with an impact-resistant ABS body, and it easily attaches to your car's hood with magnets or hooks, making it easy to check out what's going on under there. Then to add on to that, the charging is quick and convenient, taking just 4.5 hours through a USB Type-C port. Plus, its body is made out of a durable plastic, and the lens is molded from durable clear polycarbonate, so it will never leave you in the dark. The price for this new age flashlight is $110. Spider Burr. We continue our selection with another interesting product, the Spider Burr. This specialized external pipe chamfer tool is remarkably versatile and can be used in conjunction with PVC, CPVC, ABS, and PP pipes. It is also equipped with the ability to provide convenient autonomous adjustments as needed. Some of the most impressive features of the standard PC2000 model is that it is fully compatible with cordless drills of 14 volts and higher, and that it offers a working range of 3 to 4.3 inches, or 75 to 110 millimeters. All this comes in at a reasonable price tag of $179. ISO T001 The Cool Tool. It's often the simplest and least noteworthy of objects that can play the biggest part in our modern world, and we think this high-tensioning tool should fit squarely into that category. Its purpose is to work with stainless steel bands like these, bands that hold together everything from railway structures to cables. It keeps them in place with a maximum force of 2,400 pounds or 1 ton. It can accommodate bands up to 0.8 inches or 20 millimeters wide and 0.04 inches to 1 millimeter thick, and it is made even more useful with the addition of a sharp, built-in blade that cuts through straps in seconds. For a price of $130, it really is a bargain. A paint sprayer from a leading construction name is bound to impress. Keep watching to see all its remarkable features. Tracer Contour Gauge. Imagine for a while that you've been tasked with measuring impossibly intricate ceiling moldings and marble columns in an old house. Not only is this task difficult, but it is also tedious and time-consuming, which is exactly why you need to invest in a tool like this one. The Tracer Contour Gauge features a set of sliding, retractable plates that press against the wall to accurately replicate its shape, after which you can then transfer this exact profile to your drywall. It's currently available for purchase in 2 sizes, 5 inches or 130 millimeters and 10 inches or 250 millimeters, and it has been crafted to achieve the easiest profile scribing possible. The Contour Gauge has a built-in locking mechanism for precise tracing to boot. Lastly, we should mention that it includes 2 sturdy strips at the top and bottom that stop the plates from ever sagging or losing their form. You can expect a price tag of around $39 for this tool. Hyde Tools Flexi Frame. Smart painters who know how to make the most out of their time are always on the lookout for the best tools to help them achieve the best results. And most of them probably know that using the Flexi Frame from Hyde Tools is a great way to do this. It might look like your typical paint roller at first glance, but it offers a major advantage others don't. Its modularity. The handle and roller are separate parts, allowing for quick and easy paint color changes without the need for endless washing. You can easily bend the arms, slide out the roller core, and replace it with a new one. Another bonus feature is the long, flexible handle and convenient bucket hook that lets you position it on the side of your paint bucket. The $13 price tag means you can add it to your painting arsenal today. Bosch PFS 7000. Bosch might be synonymous with high-quality power tools and equipment for cars, but they are also the makers of what can be considered one of the strongest paint sprayers in its class. The PFS 7000 is a hard-working tool aimed at helping construction workers, and with its powerful 1,440-watt motor, one person can effortlessly cover 43 square feet or 4 square meters in 60 seconds or less. That person can also enjoy the freedom to work at a distance of up to 13 feet or 4 meters away, thanks to the extensive hose. Finally, this high-functioning sprayer comes with 2 containers, each capable of holding 0.26 gallons or 1 liter of paint, and it's compatible with varnish use. The best news? It sells for $367. Makita MUH016G. Watching this tool at work is probably one of the most satisfying things you can do, apart from actually using it. The Makita MUH016G is a brilliant innovation from Japanese engineers, and you might be pleasantly surprised at just how simple it is to use and how much time and effort you will save by incorporating it into your routine. It makes yard work easier and more enjoyable. This cutting tool resembles an electric or gasoline-powered rotary chainsaw, but actually consists of several pruners combined into one efficient device. The ingeniously designed trimming mechanism features 2 extendable and retractable plates, with teeth that effortlessly snip branches once they are positioned between them. Sounds like a dream gardening tool, right? HG Mini Dumper. The days of having to work with cumbersome, weighty, and difficult to maneuver dump trucks on already difficult job sites are officially over, thanks to the innovative minds behind the HG Mini Dumper. This Danish design marvel, powered by a quiet Honda electric motor, is made with user-friendliness in mind, and it shows. It's already been working on the streets for 50 years, and is still one of the most practical, efficient, and eco-friendly choices for modern construction needs. Despite its compact size, this mini dumper can carry up to 2,200 pounds or 1 ton of cargo, which is perfect for smaller scale construction tasks. It moves along at a speed of up to 4 miles or 6 kilometers per hour and runs for 12 hours on a single charge. The HD Mini Dumper boasts 0 emissions and less noise, makes use of robust hydraulic lifting for the dumper body, and overall is as kind to the environment as it is to workers. WorkPro 5-in-1 Interchangeable Pliers Set. Let's move on to another great tool. This time from WorkPro. Their multifunctional 5-in-1 plier set contains nearly everything you can need to fix just about anything and is perfect for on-the-go use. This tool has scissors, wire pliers, crimping pliers, and wire strippers, all made from durable pressure-resistant alloy steel. All of these are attached to a pliable yet sturdy plastic handle, and a secure snap-in mechanism keeps all the relevant parts in place while you're busy. Lastly, this entire set can be stored in a small, conveniently portable box, and the entire thing, when assembled, measures under 8 inches or 20 centimeters in length. The price is a reasonable $30. Would you invest in a cutting-edge woodworking table that is able to set up within minutes? Stock floor guiding device for concrete grinder. It can be argued that few companies take comfort in the workplace as seriously as the German-based Stock, and they have the record to prove it. Take, for instance, this metal frame from Concrete Grinders, which is not only fully compatible with all available models, but has also been engineered with a clever tube pressure clamp system that eliminates the need for any extra tools during assembly. User comfort is once again prioritized in the very design by its 19-pound or 8.5 kilogram total weight, as well as ergonomic form, and the grinder has been craftily positioned vertically in the bottom tray, making it incredibly easy to use. FAR Tools Renovator Rex 120D. FAR Tools has come up with a completely new and perhaps much better way to help you clean up your home or any other space. And their way means you can skip the old angle grinder and the tedious work that comes with it. The Renovator Rex 120D is the smart way to strip any surface, and unlike any angle grinder, its roller turns perpendicular to the object's axis, helping to remove coatings like paint or rust quickly and efficiently. You are still free to add attachments of your choice, but will now have a tidy and debris-free workspace every time, because the tool comes with a connected vacuum cleaner that collects every last bit of dust and debris as you work. The Renovator Rex 120D is the perfect way to make anything look like new, and sells for around $130. Woodpecker's StableMax RT Router Table. If you buy the Woodpecker's StableMax RT Router Table, you can have a perfectly set up and functional woodworking station within mere moments. The table is designed for fitting into smaller spaces, features an opening for an electric motor with a rotating cutter shaft, but still reserves the option for traditional use, where the cutter is immobile and the wood is guided through. Assembly and disassembly is done at a snap, and in the video you can see how easy it is to remove the motor, flip it over, and use it as a standalone tool. You can now upgrade this workspace for only $300 with this router table. Multifunction tools are always popular, so be sure to check out the next 3-in-1 gardening marvel. CC Electric Car Jack. Making life easier by incorporating smart tools into your routine is one of the best ways to save time and money. And though you can outsource many jobs to professionals, there are still many things you can do yourself. And now for $130, you can buy one of the best car jacks on the market right now. The CC Electric Car Jack Universal Kit is equipped with an LED light, an electric jack, an air pump and beacon, and the creators even included practical overload protection that focuses on safety by stopping the jack at its maximum height limit, or when loads are excessively heavy. The 180-watt electric motor helps it lift up to 11,000 pounds, or 5 tons of weight with ease, so it's as hard-working and dependable as any other, and is a great solution for those who want to do their own car maintenance. ALKO Blower Vac. Every year, no matter the season, gardeners are cleaning and the job is never done. That's why tools like the ALKO Blower Vac are a gift from the gardening gods. With 3 versatile settings: blowing, suction, and shredding, a robust 2.4 kilowatt motor, a maximum airspeed of 130 miles per hour or 58 meters a second, and a generous waste container that can hold up to 10 gallons or 40 liters. It has everything to clean even the messiest of outdoor spaces. Plus, it weighs a paltry 12 pounds or 5.4 kilograms. So in the end, it might cost you more not to have this in your shed than having it. For $346, this can be yours. DIY Grinding Mill. Innovation sometimes comes in strange and unusual packages, and often in ways that we don't expect. The Humble Angle Grinder is a perfect example of this. Somebody decided to push the boundaries of tool creation and came up with this genius and cost-effective way to do so much more with this simple tool, and transformed an old pot and an old angle grinder into a fully functional grinding mill. In place of a cutting disc, he uses an edge disc secured with bolts, and in place of spending money on tools from Bosch and Phillips, you can use this grinder for free. Tests showed that this homemade machine performs just as well as the ones that cost hundreds of dollars. Do you think this idea is worth trying out? Last up, don't miss out on the extension cord that trumps all others. Flexzilla Extension Cord Reels. Your first thought when hearing the name of this product might lead you to imagine a large mutant monster, but even though it's not as extreme as all that, the Flexzilla Extension Cord Reels definitely still has some great features that make it stand out. First off, the transparent design is not just for looks. It lets you see the green light that indicates when the tool is receiving power, and it also lets you keep track of how much cord is remaining. The Flexzilla Extension Cord Reel is also armed with 2 cords, a shorter one that's 5 feet or 1.5 meters long, with a plug for $70, and a longer one available in either 25 or 50 feet, or 7.6 meters or 15 meters, with a triple outlet for $102. Plus, these cords can pull back seamlessly, cleverly lock in place every 11.81 inches or 30 centimeters. All this comes in at a price of $82. X-Tape 1. Tape measures are pretty straightforward, but the creators of the X-Tape 1 have blown this design out of the water. It combines all the features of a traditional tape measure that we know and love with a laser measuring unit. For small jobs, you can invest in an 11.4 foot or 3.5 meter tape with either imperial or metric measurements. However, when you need to break out the big guns on huge projects, their 328-foot or 100-meter laser will be an invaluable tool. The measure has a built-in display, and it's equipped with clever functions that find the middle point of a line and split it into 9 equal parts. Lastly, it also works as a level, and the battery provides 7 hours of continuous use. The price on Kickstarter starts at $199. A specialized cutting tool that can manage both round and lengthwise cuts is worth your attention, so stay tuned. Double Fall Seamer 2.0. Would you like to know what the world's fastest double seamer is? The Double Fall Seamer 2.0 takes this title, allowing the user to complete a whopping 98 feet or 30 meters in only 60 seconds. The compact seamer weighs only 12.3 pounds or 5.6 kilograms, so it's easy to carry with you on the construction site. It runs on an 18-volt drill battery and only requires 80 Newton-meters of torque. The tool is capable of handling stainless steel up to 0.01 inches or 0.5 millimeters thick, but can also take care of galvanized steel as thick as 0.02 inches or 0.7 millimeters thick, as well as copper, zinc, and aluminum that's 0.03 inches or 0.8 millimeters thick. The process of switching batteries is quick and easy, and recharging won't take up your entire day either. With shipping included, you can expect to pay around $2,400 for this tool. SIMTIC S1 Boost. SIMTIC S1 Boost EDC screwdriver is like any other retractable screwdriver on the market right now, and is probably exactly what a lot of people have been waiting for. It's also been able to gain some major attention on Kickstarter and managed to garner over $61,000 in funding. The SIMTIC S1's appeal lies in its extreme practicality, as well as its convenient 6-ounce or 168-gram weight, and the fact that it lets you apply a lot more torque to stubborn screws. On top of all that, it even comes with 6 sets of 18 magnetic bits that are conveniently all held inside of the screwdriver, so they will never get lost. You can have access to a wide variety of bit types, from SL4 to T10H, and all this comes at a price of $27. KNIPEX 1650 145 ratchet cable cutter. The team at KNIPEX has come up with a tool that is going to be a firm favorite among cable strippers. The KNIPEX 1650 145 is a highly specialized cable cutter designed for effortless installation stripping, and it has been fitted with an innovative ratcheting mechanism that helps even the most inexperienced user cut through plastic up to 0.27 inches or 7 millimeters thick with hardly any effort. This wonderfully clever tool also features a razor-sharp blade that can perform both round and lengthwise cuts, and the 3-stage locking system gives you even more control and makes the process a whole lot safer. Plus, it's remarkably affordable at only $76. M12 Fuel 75mm Random Orbital Sander. Next up on our lineup is the M12 Orbital Sander, and rest assured that it is every carpenter and construction worker's dream tool. This tool is designed for delicate and controlled sanding, even in very hard-to-reach places, and it's strong enough to sand down even the toughest materials. The sander boasts with over 80% dust collection, and the compact size of the tool ensures that it ranks high on maneuverability and portability. This tool is equipped with a speed trigger lock button and 4 different speed settings to choose from. There's also an LED bar that can be turned on for immaculate 270-degree lighting on any project. The wireless sander has a strong battery, and to make the purchase even more appealing, it also comes with a 5-year warranty. The price comes in at a very reasonable $270. Construction sites often call for some heavy-duty testing, but we have the perfect solution for this coming right up. HydroJaws Model 2000 Safety Harness Eye Bolt Tester. Next up, we have a product that has been purpose-built to test the quality and integrity of eye bolts. The HydroJaws Model 2000 has the capacity to extend its pulling power to an astonishing 25 kilonewtons, or 5,620 pounds, so it's perfectly suited for heavy-duty testing. It is guaranteed to deliver a constant and stable performance thanks to the 3 adjustable legs. To make it even more efficient, the manufacturer has included an M12 adapter for easy setup, and it even has the ability to connect to the HydroJaws Verify app, so users are able to generate detailed reports complete with photos and graphs. But for now, the HydroJaws Model 2000 is priced at a minimum of $1,813. Mirka's range of high-functioning cordless sanders are just one of the premium products the company currently has to offer, and they are a dream tool for anyone finding themselves having to sand awkwardly shaped surfaces. Their AOSB and the AROSB models both feature 1.2-inch or 32mm diameter backing pads that attach securely with a user-friendly quick lock system. They are perfect for larger, more time-consuming projects because not only can they last for around 16 hours of continuous use, but each comes with 2 batteries, so you can continue to work without interruption. However, it's worth noting that each unit is currently priced at around $792, but you can choose between the AOSB's precise 0.11-inch or 3mm orbit for fine finishing, or the AROS's more generous 0.19-inch or 5mm orbit. Gyroterex. We continue our selection with another fantastic product, the Gyroterex Internal Base Crawler. With the help of this little robot, inspectors can navigate through and maintain the interior of pipes with a diameter of 8 inches or 20 centimeters or more. And due to its inherently tough design, it's capable of operating in extreme conditions that include temperatures ranging from 122 to -4 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 to -20 degrees Celsius, while maintaining a working speed of up to 5.5 inches or 14 centimeters per second. What's more, it's an incredibly versatile system that can be adapted to work with a variety of other tools, such as, for instance, a laser cleaner, and the standard setup currently has an asking price of around $40,000. Gardening enthusiasts may be interested in a cutting-edge soil aeration tool that will make their lives a lot easier. Ronin Power Ascenders. Ronin is a world-leading manufacturer of hard-working lifting systems, and this compact option is one of the best in their lineup. It's perfectly suited for heavy-duty jobs, regardless of its small 24-pound or 11-kilogram size, including the battery, and it can effortlessly hoist loads of up to 400 pounds or 181 kilograms. Even more incredibly, if you manage to use it with the proper block and rope setup, the lifting capacity jumps to an impressive 1,200 pounds or 544 kilograms. Its dual anchor points can very reliably support a combined weight of 5,000 pounds or 2,268 kilograms. By using this tool, companies will be able to significantly lower negative worker experiences, like fatigue and injuries on the job, and thereby directly improve worker turnover by reducing the need for manual lifting. Right now, this incredible product is selling for $3,825. VO GT Geo Injector Mini. The VO GT Geo Injector Mini might be the most modest model in its series, but don't let that make you think less of it, because despite its 38-pound or 17-kilogram weight, it can do its job just fine. This helpful little tool is specifically designed for soil aeration and can also apply both liquid and solid materials, such as nutrients and drainage granules, directly into the ground. But the manufacturer advises not using granules larger than 0.15 inches or 4 millimeters in size. It's the perfect way to revitalize your lawn or garden, and as an added bonus, it's tough enough to handle operating at a working pressure of up to 10 bar or 145 psi and can achieve a generous 160 injections in a single day of use. Ruby Rhino. Ruby understands that it's not easy to transport delicate materials like tiles around the job site, and they have managed to create a trolley to help make this challenging task just a little easier on workers. The Rhino trolley is fitted with 4 sturdy 5-inch or 125mm wheels that can rotate in all directions, and thanks to its 15.7-inch or 40cm wide base, it's capable of carrying several tiles with measurements of up to 118 by 47.2 by 1.5 inches or 300 by 120 by 4 centimeters. If you need more convincing, then perhaps its carrying capacity of 551 pounds or 250 kilograms and the cleverly integrated wheel lock that prevents it from rolling around on uneven terrain will do the trick. The $242 price tag alone will be enough to make you invest in this amazing tool. Have you ever wanted something that will make even the most daunting hikes possible? Hilti Neuron SB6 22 cordless bandsaw. Hilti has been around for a long time, and during their years of operation, they have developed a reputation for being one of the best tool manufacturers around. Take the Hilti Neuron SB6 22 cordless bandsaw as an example. This incredible tool excels in cutting through materials like cast iron, aluminum, and steel, and offers the user more cuts per charge, but also less noise, less vibration, and increased safety handling. Its virtually spark-free operation greatly helps to minimize fire hazards, so it's an excellent choice for smaller residential projects. But it still has the power to cut up to 5 inches or 13 centimeters deep. It has 5 built-in speed settings and a long-lasting battery that can power through an entire day. Milwaukee M18 Fuel overhead rotary hammer with integrated dust extraction. Milwaukee is one of the most popular players in the world of tools, and their overhead rotary hammer does not disappoint. What makes this rotary hammer stand out from the rest is the fact that it provides a 2-in-1 solution with integrated dust extraction, solving what may be the biggest problem workers face when using these tools. The Milwaukee overhead rotary hammer is designed with the most comfortable ergonomics in mind, and the tool itself is compact and lightweight to make extended use as effortless as possible. The tool can be collapsed for easy storage, and it's fitted with advanced safety features. The powerful motor will be able to drill holes more than 0.5 inches or 1.27 centimeters big in concrete, so it packs a punch. It can be yours for only $752. Tools don't strictly have to be work-related. What if we told you there was a tool that could entertain you as well? TI-EDC wrench. Every construction worker and handyman need one thing: a trusty wrench. By every standard, the TI-EDC wrench is the best currently on the market, and its multifunction capabilities cater to your every need. The wrench itself has a clever adjustable design that is compatible with various nuts and bolts, and it's so compact that it'll be able to fit right into your pocket. However, it also functions as a monkey wrench, a bottle opener, a screwdriver, a window breaker, a luminescent signal, and a measuring caliper. The TI-EDC wrench is made from titanium to ensure it will be unaffected by the wear and tear of use in your everyday life. It's available for $120. Titan Spin. Multi-tools are great, but sometimes the busy mind also wants something to fidget with. If this is something that interests you, the Titan Spin will be a clear winner. This little tool set is a marvel that fits right into your pocket, and while the magnets and spinner will keep you entertained, the real kicker is that you can configure it with more than 80 tools. There are models ideally created to suit tech enthusiasts, outdoor lovers, anglers, and even just DIY projects. It's made from grade 5 titanium to ensure unfailing reliability, ensuring it's a tool that'll last a lifetime. For a price of $57, this is a no-brainer. The C-Tax 4-in-1 Rescue and Camping Multi-Tool. Camping enthusiasts, listen up. The C-Tax 4-in-1 tool is a game-changing tool that will be as necessary as your right hand. The entire design is made to be easy to use, and its lightweight design ensures that it won't be a hassle to take with you on your outdoor adventures. This tool is made in the USA, and it has the functions of a pry bar and a gas valve wrench. Other features include a Tonto-style axe and a compact hammer. At only 18.5 inches, it can easily clip to your belt, and camping will never be the same again for only $180. You need to be prepared for nearly all situations when driving a vehicle, but there is now a singular tool set that will solve just about every problem you could run into. VitoMan All-in-One Cordless Power Toolkit. VitoMan has created the perfect toolkit that has basically everything you could need in your car. It's especially useful in winter months when mishaps are just waiting to happen. The kit comes complete with an impact wrench for changing tires and any other odd job you may have, but it's also fitted with a tire inflator that can inflate any tire, whether it's a car or a bicycle. If your car dies, it also has a handy jump starter that will get you going in no time. When it's cleaning time, the kit is equipped with a small vacuum cleaner and a high pressure washer for the exterior of your car. What more could you need? Handjet EBS 260. This next device is probably one of the most impressive and exceptionally useful of any we have covered on our channel. And once you see it in action, you'll understand why it has made such a big impression. The Handjet EBS 260 is a revolutionary practical portable printer and can give you up to 16 hours of operation time on just one charge, while still operating at a speed of up to 3.3 foot or 1 meter per hour with a single 6.7 ounce or 200 milliliter ink cartridge. It can deliver a maximum of 200,000 characters, allowing you to print for extended periods without any interruption. Moreover, features like its intuitive built-in touchscreen give you the freedom to change your printing settings at any moment. It has a fully functional USB port, and on top of that, you can print from virtually anywhere thanks to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Unbelievably, these are just a few of its many features, and we think it's more than enough to justify the $5,600 price tag. E-Cutter 2.0. The E-Cutter 2.0 is a bit of a niche product, but it is just as fascinating as the other tools we've looked at. Its sole purpose is to simplify and speed up the process of creating ultra-precise and near-perfect golf holes, and the creators have even made it compatible with drills from popular brands like Bosch, DEWALT, Makita, and Milwaukee. It weighs a measly 20 pounds or 9 kilograms, and using it is as easy as placing it on the desired spot, turning it on, and applying slight pressure onto the turf. No extra action is needed beyond this, because the system is clever enough to do everything else by itself. And for even more precision and convenience, it comes with a foot plate that accounts for the shorter grass around the hole. The E-Cutter 2.0 is currently available at $1,831. Shocking news ahead, there's a better way for electricians to not get shocked on the job. X-Tech EX840A. Next up, we have a tool specifically made for electricians and technicians that have to work on live circuits. The X-Tech EX840A clamp meter. This one little device has the power to not only handle both AC and DC currents, but can even take on normally tricky tasks like measuring resistance, frequency, and capacitance, as well as check for dangerous open circuits and function as a laser pointer, equipped IR thermometer, all at the same time, letting you troubleshoot hotspots and measure temperatures. The clamp opens wide to accommodate conductors up to 1.7 inches or 4.3 centimeters in diameter, and it can cover a broad AC/DC power range from 0.1 to 1000 amps and a voltage range from 0.1 to 1000 volts. Plus, it retails for around $250. Pro Gear Driven Airsaw STBW710. We guarantee that the next machine on our list will be one of the most powerful and useful tools you will ever own, and will make what is normally a very difficult and frustrating task as effortless and straightforward as humanly possible. The Pro Gear Driven Airsaw STBW710 is equipped with a powerful 1 horsepower motor that allows it to cut cleanly and perfectly through tough aluminum profiles, up to 0.1 inches or 2.5 millimeters thick. Because of its smart keyless quick change design, it lets you change out the blades with little to no effort. Comfort is ensured by the ergonomic vibration damping side handle that is set at a 180-degree angle, and safety by the built-in safety lock trigger. But for more woodworking tasks, the manufacturer recommends their STBW711 model, which operates at 3,000 cycles per minute compared to the Metal Saw's 2,400. Greenlee Electric PVC Heater. Right now, Greenlee is offering its customers this incredible electric PVC heater, and using it is so easy. Even the most novice of users can do it with the confidence of an expert. Just preheat for 10 minutes. Insert the PVC, rotate until pliable, and then remove and form the bend you need. The powerful heater is designed to be able to warm a 24-inch or 61-centimeter section of pipe, and has the ability to work with a wide range of pipe diameters from 0.5 inches up to 2 inches or 1.27 to 5.08 centimeters. What's more, the tool's fiberglass insulation and reflective interior help provide consistent heat distribution for perfect results every time. And with features like a full-length door, carrying handle, pilot light, and on and off switch, it's well worth its $652 price point. Breathing clean air is one of the most important aspects of construction safety, so having a portable tool that can do the job will be an invaluable addition. Festool Air Purifier Sys Air. If you're one of those people that have to spend hours upon hours working in enclosed, dusty environments like construction sites or renovation projects, it is integral that you take precautions to protect your health. One of the easiest ways to do this is by having a Festool Sys Air purifier by your side as you work. Not only is it incredibly easy to move around because of its lightweight body that weighs less than a small TV at 10 kilograms or 22 pounds, but it will capture 99.9% of all Class M dust, including particles from concrete, wood, and silicate, and is able to carry out fast-acting filtration by cleaning a 613 square foot or 57 square meter room 3 times per hour. It also features a 25-foot or 7.5 meter power cord, making it so easy to set up without getting in the way of your work, and is available for a reasonable $1,085. Paratech MaxiForce G3. The Paratech MaxiForce G3 is part of a range of airlifting bags that also function as powerful jacks, and it comes in an impressively wide range of 14 sizes, with the largest being capable of lifting a staggering 211,643 pounds or 96 tons. Their impressive strength comes from a strong multi-layer structure reinforced with aramid fiber, and because of this innovative feature, it's usable on everything from the flat mates to the most uneven of terrains. With the same efficacy. The lifting height capability is different for each model, but ranges from 3 inches or 76 millimeters to 20 inches or 508 millimeters. While they pack serious power, they also come at the premium price with the Paratech MaxiForce G3 model that is capable of handling 3,527.4 pounds or 1.6 tons, coming in at a price of some $505. Raxco Multi-Tool Hammer. Are you looking for the perfect gift for the man in your life? The Raxco Multi-Tool Hammer will be a hit for any occasion. Not only is it easy to clip to your pocket and small enough not to be a bother, but it also works as a wrench, a screwdriver, and a bottle opener. Its function extends even further when you learn that it's the ideal tool for everything from fishing to hiking or even DIY projects. It's lightweight at only 15 ounces or 426 grams. And at $17, it's a total steal. A saw tool that can work on nearly any material will be a versatile addition to your toolbox, even more so if it's cordless. WhipCool C30S. The WhipCool C30S is arguably one of the easiest and most effective ways of accomplishing your twice-yearly AC maintenance. It uses a series of high-tech and most importantly chemical-free cleaning methods to help you get through this tedious and often costly process. By using a clever combination of hot and cold water cleaning, steam up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius, and ozonation, it kills a whopping 99.9% of microorganisms living inside your beloved AC. This tool makes it even easier for you with its integrated LCD touchscreen and atomizer button that allows for near effortless switching between different modes. The WhipCool C30S operates at a pressure of up to 6 bars or 87 psi, and it offers great value for money with its $358 price tag. It really has everything you need and even comes with an adjustable rod, super quiet hose, and a split AC cleaning cover that is still being sold separately for now. Work Saw. Next up, we have a tool so intuitively simple and yet ingeniously designed that it is compact enough to hold in one hand while you work on anything from metal pipes to sheet metal and still maintain precision and accuracy. This is possible no matter how far away you are from a power outlet. This robust cordless Works WX531 mini circular saw is made to deliver up to 80% more power while being much more economical with its battery usage, helping you save up to 50% of your battery life. It has a built-in maximum cutting depth of 1.6 inches or 4 centimeters at 90 degrees or 1.1 inches or 2.7 centimeters at 45 degrees, as well as convenient depth adjustments. Moreover, thanks to the handy LED light that brilliantly illuminates your work area, you can cut with confidence, even in low light conditions. Its current price tag is $174. Stihl GTA 26. By now, most serious professionals know that Stihl, the nearly century-old German company, is one of the foremost global manufacturers of outdoor power equipment. And the next product on our list is one of their most popular and widely loved models. The GTA 26 Compact Garden Pruner is highly versatile as well as easy to use and can tackle anything from simple gardening chores like pruning to light carpentry tasks, thanks to its tiny yet powerful 4-inch or 10-centimeter guide, bar, and 0.25-inch or 6.4-millimeter chain. One of its best features is that you can change the chain without any extra tools. And because it runs on a brushless motor, it's both efficient, practical, and durable. The company sells a complete kit that includes the pruner, a charger, a battery, and oil for only $230. Cable stripping is a job that will never lessen, but the tools for it have now reached new levels of convenience and efficiency. Milwaukee M12 BST-0. You'll be more than satisfied with the Milwaukee M12 BST-0 and will soon find yourself understanding why it is so popular with so many professionals. Because of its unique design, this stapler excels in both upholstery and construction work, and you can use it on staples ranging from 0.2 inches to 0.5 inches or 6 to 14 millimeters. What's more, you can blast through your projects with a rapid-fire stapling speed of up to 140 strokes per minute. It also features a sequential fire operation option, and the 2 amp-hour battery provides enough power for up to 2,000 shots. Plus, the magazine holds a generous 89 staples at a time. Right now, you can get your hands on this great stapler for just $241. Ryobi Bolt Cutter. You'll be hard-pressed to find a brand of tools more practical and budget-friendly than the impressive array that Ryobi has on offer, and their $99 P592 Bolt Cutter is no exception. Despite being battery-powered, this tool can cut through tough materials like chains, shackles, wire, and bolts with diameters of up to 0.4 inches or 9.5 millimeters. And the previously mentioned high-capacity lithium plus battery is powerful enough to make around 200 cuts per charge. EKSD 50ml. If you are tired of never having a good cable stripping tool when you most need it, the EKSD 50ml is a tool that can save you hours of frustration. It's incredibly versatile and can work with cross-section cables with measurements ranging from 0.009 to 0.05 square inches or 6 to 35 square millimeters. It has outer diameters up to 0.45 inches or 11.5 millimeters. And whether you're left-handed or right-handed, the EKSD 50ml is designed to fit comfortably into either hand, and its powerful 10.8 volt battery is easy to replace and typically lasts for up to 45 minutes of use. It also features an integrated cutting insert, so you can make cuts across all conductor classes without changing the insert. The adjustable stop sleeve ensures you get the correct stripping length each and every time. The EKSD 50mm currently sells for $1,120. You can never have enough tools to make the workload less physically challenging on the construction site, especially if the tools have clever pneumatic wheels. Safety nailer. Hammering nails into walls gives even the most experienced construction workers a bit of an uneasy feeling, since your fingers are never 100% safe. That was until the safety nailer came along. This patented nailer is designed to protect your fingers while also ensuring that nail buckling is a thing of the past. The tool ensures you don't need any bulky tools or gloves, and the embedded magnets ensure the nails stay in place. It's got a chamfer edge and a striker plate for perfect finger protection, and the 180-degree wedge ensures that there's no job it can't do. For a very low $10, you can spare your fingers a lot of hurt. Allow us to introduce you to the Milwaukee M18 Force Logic Single Channel Strut Shear, the next step in the evolution of shearing tools. Without any extra deburring or filing, you will still get incredibly clean shears every time. The intelligently integrated strut support plate provides a quick 4-inch or 10-centimeter measurement offset, and the layout minimizes the risk of injuries. By removing any exposed blades, you also get near unrivaled levels of versatility and portability, because this Milwaukee tool lets you cut struts on any flat surface. As an added bonus, the Milwaukee One Key technology means you can lock the tool, monitor its use, and receive maintenance notifications. The kit is comprehensive with everything you need, including a single-channel shearing die, a red lithium battery, a multi-voltage charger, and a soft-sided carrying bag with extra pockets. The price is a steady $3,749. KNIPEX BiX pipe cutter. Having to juggle around bulky tools is a bit of a nuisance, but that is why we've chosen to feature the incredibly useful KNIPEX BiX pipe cutter. This little tool has a clever quick lock mechanism for easy one-handed operation. It has a minimal cutting radius for tight spaces and 5 needle bearings that help it make the smoothest cuts, even on tough materials like stainless steel and copper. You can also preset your cutting size, or simply click the spring-loaded wheel onto the pipe for on-the-fly adjustments. Plus, the optimized turning knob not only prevents accidental slips, but delivers 20% more torque than most standard knobs. Since it only measures in at a minuscule total length of 3 inches or 7.6 centimeters, you can carry it around easily. And the manufacturer even included an easy-to-replace high-quality ball-bearing steel spare cutting wheel. The price is a reasonable $77. An advanced tool that can capture and store scans for up to a day will offer a huge benefit on the construction site. Want to see how? Coming up soon. Leica BOK Arc. Leica Geosystems is your best friend if you're a site inspector who has to work in and around challenging construction environments. The Leica BOK Arc is an advanced scanning module that makes quick work of even the most complex of environments and comes with some impressive features. It can capture detailed scans from up to 82 feet or 25 meters away and makes use of a clever combination of GNSS and Grand Slam technologies. It has a complete 360-degree horizontal and 270-degree vertical field of view, and even gives you the option to integrate your work with traditional drawings and BIM models. The Leica BOK Arc has even been fitted onto a robotic dog from Boston Dynamics, which showcased its autonomous capabilities. This means that once fully configured, it can set out on its own and will remember what it scanned for an entire 24 hours. But it does cost an eye-whopping $51,750. Hilti DX860. You are now looking at the Hilti DX860, a fully automatic power actuated fastening tool purposed specifically for securing steel decking to base structures. It's the only tool you'll want to use when you have a ton of heavy-duty projects to get through. The Hilti DX860 holds the power to get through up to 1,000 fastenings per hour, and it comes with a whole host of noteworthy features. These include a 40 fastener magazine, a reliable piston brake, system for added control, and an integrated power regulator that makes it safer to use while you're standing. But since it currently sells for around $3,500, it's still a pretty significant investment to make. Rothenberger Sievert PSI. While you might not be familiar with the next brand on our list, we guarantee that you'll be happy you know about them after watching this presentation. The Rothenberger Sievert Portable Soldering Iron is your ultimate welding soldering companion. It's powerful and portable since it's built out of a combination of titanium and high-quality aluminum. It has a completely enclosed wind guard that ensures a consistently protected flame, even in windy conditions, as well as a valve for precise heat control. The copper tip has been cold hammered and provides consistent heat output without wearing out, and you can enjoy up to 90 minutes of continuous use on a single 2.1 ounce or 60 gram gas cartridge. If this looks like the soldering iron is for you, you'll be happy to know that it comes in a kit that includes the iron, 2 gas cartridges, and the standard copper tip, with the option to add other tips for more specialized work. Work tools that have integrated work lights are incredibly useful, but that's not the only cool feature on the next entry on our list. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw. Milwaukee is no stranger when it comes to creating products that outshine and outperform its competitors. This time around, they have gifted us with this deep cut bandsaw, a compact and lightweight champion. Despite being the slimmest and lightest of its kind, it's not only capable of grinding through a 4-inch or 10-centimeter black iron pipe much faster than any of its rivals, but can power through more than 75 cuts on a full battery. With the PowerState brushless motor, you get a powerful cutting performance of 550 surface feet per minute, and the manufacturer has managed to pack a range of impressive function-enhancing features, such as variable speed mode select, into this gadget. Lastly, you enjoy a feathering trigger, a tool-free adjustable shoe, and a powerful LED work light, all for only $379. Bosch Orbicut. Our next pick comes from Bosch, so you can already expect it to be a particularly helpful tool with some very attention-grabbing features. Known as the Orbicut, this ingeniously designed little grinding accessory can easily be attached to most standard drills. It comes fully equipped with razor-sharp blades to deliver the most controlled and cleanest of cuts, no matter how limited the space you have to cut in is. It does not generate any dust because the blades create fine shavings instead, and when you compare the Orbicut to most manual or electric alternatives, like gouges or burrs, its superiority is obvious. With a rather modest price point of around $50, it should be a staple in every woodworker's toolkit. Telestep ladders. Telestep ladders offer a refreshing spin on the much-used traditional climbing apparatus, and we think these patented technology telescopic ladders from this trusted and widely used brand are nothing short of revolutionary. Thanks to some very clever engineering, Telestep ladders feature a patented one-touch release button mechanism, allowing users to extend or retract the ladder as quickly as they need. This makes these ladders incredibly simple to operate, move around, and store. On top of all this user-friendliness, Telestep ladders are also renowned for their high quality, and since each one is made out of super durable aerospace-grade aluminum, they undergo rigorous safety tests, so they are well worth their current price, which sits at approximately $100 for home use to $900 for the more heavy-duty professional models. USB Lithium Verse Compact Speaker. Ryobi is famous for a lot of cool gadgets, and this time it's for those who love music. The Ryobi USB Lithium Verse compact speaker is designed to deliver near studio quality sound in nearly every environment you can think of, and it's not only tough as nails, but also easy to carry around and fully waterproof to boot. To make it even more convenient, its rechargeable USB lithium battery is fully compatible with all Ryobi USB lithium products and can power your favorite tunes for 6 hours straight. If that's not enough for you, it also has a 125-foot or 38-meter speaker-to-speaker range, and the onboard USB-C port allows you to recharge while you play. The built-in Bluetooth feature lets you stream your music wirelessly from up to 250 feet or 76 meters away. This product will be released to the market soon. Spider reciprocating brushes. We are continuing our selection of special products with an overview of a Spider reciprocating brush, and we think using this tool or even just watching it at work is immensely satisfying. By using a brush that attaches to a reciprocating saw, this handy gadget lets you clean a variety of surfaces in a fraction of the time it would take to do it manually, and with a much higher level of efficiency too. The brushes will even work around corners and edges, so whether you need to remove stubborn rust, dirt, or old peeling paint, it's going to make your job a whole lot simpler and much less labor intensive. The brush attachment sells for a very modest $14. If this list of tools added some items to your toolbox wish list, be sure to catch the next one.